Hello, it's Tom Donald from the London Contemporary School of Piano. Today I'm going to show you how to develop a 12-bar blues on the piano. Some great party tricks. No more jingle bells this Christmas. You're going to be playing some great blues. So there's really only one main rule with a 12-bar blues, and I'll spill it to you right now. It's got to have 12 bars, right? You can make a lot of other adjustments. You can change the riff, you can change the scales, you can move around in different ways, but you've got to have the 12 bars. So that's what we're really going to focus on, is getting that 12 bars into our musical muscle memory. And muscle memory is a huge part of playing the blues. So I'm going to just give us a nice, simple left-hand riff that's a great little case study for playing a 12-bar blues. And by the way, if you like our work at the London Contemporary School of Piano, you should head on over to our website, contemporaryschoolofpiano.com, and ask for our free resources kit. It's got some great blues material and all sorts of other materials from other styles of music, and it's a great way for you to support us and for you to support yourself in your musical journey and getting more structure to your learning. So let's have a look at this left-hand riff. So we're going to just start with a nice 12-bar blues with this left-hand bass line, which consists of 5th and 6th intervals. There's the 5th interval, and there's the 6th interval, C to G, C to A. Notice I've got my index finger on the G, thumb to the A, makes it a nice smooth change. So 4 bars of chord 1, which is C. Bar 2. Bar 3. Bar 4. Play along with me here. Then F major. 2 bars of F major, which is chord 4. 2 bars of C major. 1 bar of G. 1 bar of F. 1 bar of C. 1 bar of G, which is the turnaround. And then we do it again. So we've got the 4 bars of C. 2 bars of F. 2 bars of C. 1 bar of G. 1 bar of F. 1 bar of C. Turn around on G. So that's the structure. And by the way, it might just be a simple 3-chord structure of chords 1, 4, and 5. And by the way, you can change that into any key you want. So if you need to sort of wean yourself off C major, go and transpose that into F major, G major, E flat major, B flat major, chords 1, 4, and 5. That's all it is. It's just 3 chords. But it's the arrangement of those 3 chords over 12 bars that really matters, right? You've got 4 whole bars of the chord 1. 4 bars, so you got to count that. These are 8th notes, so it's 1, 2, 3. 2nd bar, 2, 3. 3rd bar, 4th bar. So there's a lot of space there. So you don't want to. A lot of students do this. They just play 2 bars of the chord 1. They get impatient. And they start doing this. But that's not a 12-bar blues then. It ends up being a 10-bar blues. Now there are some variations. You can, in those 4 bars at the beginning, just as a little option variation, do a turnaround. You can go chord 1, chord 4 for 1 bar, but then you've got to go back to chord 1, and then chord 1 again. And then you continue as normal, chord 4 for 2 bars. Chord 1 for 2 bars. Chord 5 for 1 bar, chord 4 for 1 bar, chord 1, and then 5. So the structure still remains 12 bars, even if I'm slightly changing the chords. It's got to be 12 bars. So what is it that I'm doing in the right hand? Really, really important. When you're playing blues chords and comping on the blues chords in the right hand, use dominant 7 chords. You don't want to use major 7 chords. They're not really bluesy. They're too schmoozy. You want dominant 7s. They're made for the blues, right? But we don't want to play it necessarily like this, all as root chords. I like to go 7, 3, 5, like that. That's quite a nice shape. And I've taken out the C, I've taken out the first note, because I've got it in the bass. So that sounds quite good. So just as a beginner start, I could just put, I can comp using different rhythms, but I could just comp also just starting on the first beat of the bar if I need a bit of help getting the structure, like this. 1, 2, 2nd bar, 3rd bar, 4th bar. Now go to the F7, using different arrangements of the dominant 7, 7, 3, 5. I could go 3, 5, 7. I could go 1, 1, 5, 7, 1, 3, 7. I sort of want to avoid just using square chords like that. I can sort of take out notes and move it round. You can experiment with it in different ways. Now I'm going to comp with some different rhythms. Okay, now it's time to go into Oscar Peterson mode. We're now going full on next level. I'm now going to show you a C major blues scale in the right hand. These are the notes: C, D, D sharp, E, G, A, C. Write this down: C, D, D sharp, E, G, A, C. Now, I could get into the theory of that, but we've got plenty of other videos with the theory of that. Visit our website, contemporaryschoolofpiano.com. Ask about our blues theory videos. We'll direct you in the right place. I just want you to play with these notes. Play with me right now, by the way. You're not going to learn anything just sitting and watching me. Just play on your piano, on your keyboard with these videos. Really helps. I'm like your virtual piano teacher. So, we're going to just mix these notes around. Just get used to playing them in different orders. Now the key is, just to get our hands in a synergy together, is we're going to mirror the rhythm of the left hand. You see, I was just walking up and down the scale, but I was using the exact same rhythm as the left hand. So it was just allowing my coordination to work. Oh, that sounds so good in blues. Just get 3 notes and just repeat them over and over again. Can't go wrong, right? And by the way, that umbrella scale fits the entire progression. No, I don't have to change scale with the chords. You don't really want to do that with the 12-bar blues. It just sounds contrived. You just want to have that umbrella scale. However, to go next level, you can also put a C minor blues scale with the C major chords in the left hand. It sounds really magical. These are your notes of your C minor blues scale. C, E flat, F, F sharp, G, B flat, C. Let's do that again. C, E flat, F sharp, G, B flat, C. Write that down. Just got a little bit more bittersweet to it, the minor blues. So I'm going to alternate between major and minor blues, and then I'll really start to go next level. Major blues. Minor blues. Major blues again. And if you want an extra challenge, I mean, that's probably, 6 months of work for some of you, and that's absolutely fine. I mean, I've spent my whole life trying to do these things. Take your time. But the next step is then putting triplets with the swing rhythm. So triplets are like these just faster passing notes. Da, 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 da. And they're even. The swing is not even. It's on the 1 and the 3rd of the triplet, but the triplet is even. Da, 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 da. And it just marries to the triplet, to the swing rhythm in the left hand perfectly. the way, if you like our work at the London Contemporary School of Piano, you should head on over to our website, contemporaryschoolofpiano.com, and ask for our free resources kit. It's got some great blues material and all sorts of other materials from other styles of music, and it's a great way for you to support us and for you to support yourself in your musical journey and getting more structure to your learning. Now go and have some practice, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.